Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your DIY hand sanitizers based on the World Health Organization recommendations. I'll share a link to the website below. Three ingredients you'll need. The first is hydrogen peroxide 11.7 mils, 234 mils of ethanol or surgical spirit, as well as 4 mils of glycerine. In addition to this, you're also going to be needing some equipment. The first will be a spray bottle. So this is what you put your hand sanitizer in once you're finished. You're also going to need some measuring spoons. I just took some measuring spoons from my kitchen. This one's about 4 mils. Then you're also going to need another one. It's about 7 mils. You're also going to need a mixing bowl. Make sure your mixing bowl has measurements in milliliters on it so you know how much you're measuring. Starting with your ethanol or surgical spirit, you need to measure 234 milliliters of this. Be very careful to ensure that you're not near anything flammable while you're pouring your measurements. The bottles typically come in 200 mils, so make sure you get enough bottles so you don't run out. Now that I have my 234 mils, I'll move on to the next ingredient, which is my hydrogen peroxide. I need to measure 11.7 mils of this. I used my measuring spoons because they're 4 mils and 7 mils each, and that's about 11 mils. Again, I carefully pour this. Make sure you're not near anything flammable while you're doing this. I then move on to my next ingredient, which is the vegetable glycerine. I need 4 mils of this, and I use my 4 mils measuring spoon to pour this out. Once I have all 3 ingredients in the container, I mix this carefully. Once I have finished the mixing, I get my spray bottle. These bottles, you can get them for relatively cheap at the dollar store or at the £1 store. Just check to make sure that the spray works before you put your mixture into the container. Again, I carefully pour the mixture into my spray bottle. The spray bottle is about 100 mils, and what you've made is about 250 mils of hand sanitizer. So you're going to have some left, and you also need to make sure that you have a container where you can store this away carefully. And there you have it, your DIY homemade hand sanitizer. I typically spray this on the palm of my hands. I spray it behind my hands as well, and I just rub it in, making sure I pay particular attention to the tips of my fingers, my cuticle areas. I have this in my handbag once I go to the stores or anywhere really. I make sure I carry it with me, and it's just so nice and easy to take with you and very easy to make as well. Once I have taken away what I need, what's left of the hand sanitizer, I put it in a little plastic container. So this is where I store my excess hand sanitizers. And again, make sure you carefully pour it into your little container. This is how easy it is to make your homemade sanitizers made to the World Health Organization specification. If you've enjoyed watching this video, make sure you thumbs up, make sure you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay safe, guys.